Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. You know, it's a lot more fun when we both play. Boys found your car? That chicken was long gone.
Don't call me Uncle Lou.
Why not?
Because people think I hired you because we're related. Let me get this straight. You're the chicken?
Official.
Yeah, but somebody else was in the suit, right?
Oh, you're both smart.
So everyone thought you were in the suit, but you really weren't.
Exactly.
So
Who was in the suit?
Bryce, I cannot tell you. You made a promise.
Son, we're talking grand theft automobile here.
That's GTA Mobile.
So you better start talking.
Until I get that ruby eye spoil.
We'll go get it.
Hey, Jack.
What's up?
Lou, can you give us a minute here?
Sure, Jack.
Thanks. Well, Cletus, you know, I wish I understood why you did it.
Hey, you know what? I'm allergic to the chicken suit, okay? I mean, every time I put the thing on, I go into a sneezing fit. My body gets all itchy. I mean, I didn't want to quit. And I think the main thing is that I didn't want to let you down.
You know, let me tell you something, Cletus. I was allergic to the chicken suit, too. Yeah, I know. It was rough. My sinuses got all stuffed up, my eyes watered, my fingers swelled up like hot dogs. I felt like I was itching my way through high school. Yeah, I didn't want to quit either, for the same reason. I'm proud of you, Cletus. You had the guts to fly the coop, like I should have.
Thanks, Dad. But I mean, you're really okay with me not being the chicken? I know it's the family legacy.
I'd rather you be my happy son than a sneezing chicken any day.
Thanks. Dad?
Yeah.
I'm allergic to that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do that.
Okay, cool.
Ngapain kameranya digini? Maaf lo.